Hi, scholars. Today is Monday, October 5th, and we are going to learn about some really cool math stuff today. I'm so excited to learn. So, I want you to hold up 4 fingers, okay? What fingers are you holding up? I'm going to guess that most of you are holding up these 4 fingers, right? That's what we usually do when we hold up our 4 fingers. But could we possibly hold up different fingers? How could we do that? Maybe I could do, and instead of having my thumb down, I put my pinky down and I could have these 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? There are many different ways. Maybe I put down this finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's kind of hard, right? So what you're going to do now is think about how could I use both of my hands to show the number 4 using my fingers? So show me if you can hold up different combinations using your hands for the number 4. Some of you might have 1 and 3. Some of you might have 0 and 4. Good idea. Some of you might have 2 and 2, right? Look at those numbers. It's kind of cool how we can make numbers using our hands, right? So I want you to hold up 4 fingers. I'm just going to do it the way that I typically do, right? I'm holding up 4 fingers. Now I want you to double this. What does double mean? What does it mean to double something? If I double the number 4, this is how many fingers I should have up. Let's count them. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers. So now I have 8 fingers up. So doubling means that I have the same amount on both of my hands. 4 and 4. That is doubling the number 4. So in today's lessons, we will use our fingers and our number racks to investigate doubles and halves. So I want you to make a doubles fact on your hand. This might be something I don't really know what to do. Remember what we just talked about. Doubles facts or doubling something means the same number that's on this hand has to be on this hand. So a possibility would be 1 and 1. That's a doubles fact. So pause right now and come up with your own doubles fact. Let's look at the different combinations that we see. Maybe we see 2 and 2. Who can tell me what 2 and 2 is? That's 4. Some people might have 5 and 5. That's a doubles fact. 5 plus 5 equals 10. What happens when we double a number? Why don't you pause and think about that for a second? What happens when I double the number 2 or any number? So now what you're going to do is you're going to look at different number racks that represent different doubles facts. So for example, we were talking about the 2, right? If I double 2, how many does that give me? How many fingers am I holding up? 2 and 2 equals 4. So what I would do if I'm going to write the equation, and I'm going to try my best here, I'm going to do 2, because that's how many are pushed over on my top rack, plus how many are on my bottom rack, plus 2. And my answer would be 4. So that's how we write an equation for a doubles fact.